So I did that. Which one? Darnell. He was crushed and dead. Looked like he'd been in the waffle line. Whoever did put him in your seat afterwards. The seat wasn't messed up a bit. Thank God for small favors anyway. There's something else too. I checked out your story on Baker Auto. They have no record of selling any body paint like yours. And there's something else too. You know that nice red paint? It's called autumn red paint. Nobody makes it anymore, nobody sells it, you can't buy it. Well, I guess I was just lucky. Well, your luck is just about to run out, kid. Look, I don't see what this has to do with anything. Let me put it this way. Whatever cut Moochie Welch in half left its mark. There was paint embedded in his pelvic bone. Do you know how hard something has to hit a man to embed paint in his bones? It was automatic paint. Wait a minute. Look, I was at home in bed that night and I could prove. I know. I bet you can prove where you were last night too. Somewhere you're lying. No, you're not. And for your sake, when I get the truth, and I will get the truth, that it comes from you. Because if it doesn't, you're going to be in one hell of a mess.